Turbo Camry part
31. Secret method exposed! Alright, so I've been painting the Camry, obviously. This is just a collection of different videos along the process of painting the rest of the car. I started out with just doing the bonnet and the boot, and now we're moving on to the rest of it, painting all the rest of the bits. The rear quarter panels of the car were in pretty bad shape. They needed quite a lot of body filler to fill up all the dents. So we put the filler on, we sand it back, prime it up, and then do the same for the bumpers, front and rear bumpers. Bumper filler, which is actually like an epoxy kind of plastic. It's a bit different from normal body filler. I actually bought a new bumper for this because the old one had a big dent in the front of it, which wasn't really repairable.
Whenever I mix paint, the fumes are real strong.
I got a bit lazy with setting up the painting booth, so I just decided to put a tarp down on the carport and tarp off the edges of the carport instead. So this is actually the clear coat sanded back, so it's being painted, and then you sand back the orange peel effect, and then you polish it up. After sanding it, you get this nice dull flat surface, which you then polish.
Juice swirl remover. So when you use a sheepskin pad for polishing, it puts lots of swirl marks in. So we change over to this foam pad and use the swirl remover paste, which takes the swirls out.
It goes from this to a full shine, exposing the surroundings. I can see myself. I can see a sunset. Let's put the badges back on. Secret method! Alright, so after we have completely polished the car, we've got to apply some even coats. The reason why we apply the even coats is for cooling. When we use even coats, it helps with cooling. Make sure you get this coat up underneath the handles. Make sure you also get this coat on your face. The reason why we use even coats is because it helps with cooling. So if we use even coats, it helps with cooling. Here's the car prior to the paint. Completely screwed when it came to the paint on the roof, the bonnet and the rear quarter panels. Was all completely destroyed after 25 years. So I fixed it.
So, what's next, you might ask? Well, I've got a water methanol kit to install, and then, hopefully, we can then go to the drags, where we will beat Lamborghinis. And if you're wondering what that weird noise is in the background, it's me, just saying, I love Camrys, I love Camrys, I love Camrys, over and over and over, slowed down 200%.